I've rarely
She
seen.
wanders endlessly in search of prey.
Hmm. Ooh, look at them
It's
big
here,
old eyes. I see you.
somewhere in this white, blank world. But how does he find it?
That nobody else could see.
The secret is in her enormous facial disc, the largest of any owl.
I
It
see
channels
you.
sounds like
What?
a radar dish. With one ear higher than the other, she can pinpoint noise, not just left to right, but also up and down.
Mm. uh, radar on your ass.
A vole. It's thought she can hear its heartbeat beneath a foot of snow. Special structures on her feathers cut the air to minimize noise.
Hell no, you can't even hear the
Her
swoop
prey can't hear her,
when she slide up
and
on
she can focus on exactly where to strike.
you. Ooh, mommy, know she bad. Got
At least her targets never know what's coming.
you.